This guy charges $495 for basic work, $1,495 for standard work, and $2,495 for premium work. All of them can be done in just 1 hour.
I created this high quality website in Next.js, including all of these pages and all of these functionalities, including e-commerce and book commuting and all of these functionalities within less than 1 hour using this tool, which is called bolt.new.
I know what you're thinking. You are not here to learn about websites or website building or even AI applications that make websites like this in 1 hour. You are here to learn how to make money. And I also know people who are looking to make money. They want something exciting because they're always in the look for something new. Website building is absolutely boring, so 1990s. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you money, and that's not about website. Then why am I talking about this video? First, let me show you where the money is. I went to this lead generation website and searched with a local business type, car spare parts. It can be anything else, but I searched with car spare parts. I put my location and 30 kilometers around my location. The application searched for different businesses, and look what it found. These car spare parts company has a website, but this car spare parts company does not have a website. If you scroll down, you will see on the left hand side, this company doesn't have a website. On the right hand side, this company doesn't have a website. No website, no website, no website, no website. And I can go on and on. Hundreds, if not thousands of businesses around you that need a website don't have a website. Now, let's say somehow you contact them. You tell them, hey, if you have a website, more people will find you, find your business, find your services, and eventually you get more sales, more profit. How many of these websites do you think will get your service? Well, maybe 1 out of 10. So if you contact 10 people, 1 will get your website building service. Don't trust me? Go to Fiverr and search with website. You'll see how many people make websites and how much they charge. Now, this guy charges $850 for a basic website, $1,400 for a standard website, and $2,000 for a premium website. Isn't this website a premium website? It takes 1 hour to build a website. So now you know where the money is. Although it's boring, boring is big in terms of business. So am I gonna lecture you about how to make websites in 1 hour using AI, blah, blah? I don't think you need to listen to my lectures. You can just find this guy, this video, watch yourself, do it yourself. My brothers and sisters, I'm talking about something better. I'm talking about something 99% done for you. And it is built for people who have a 9 to 5 day job or an existing business. And you don't have time for active business like calling people up, ask whether they need a website, close them on the call, and then actually spend 1 hour to build a website for them. Then they will say, hey, I didn't like your website. You go back and work again. No. That's a good business, but that's not what I'm here for. Let me show you something totally different. What I found interesting about this video is that this video got 70,000 views in just 2 months. So I dug a little deeper and I found 2 months before, when this video was shot, this guy was showing he had 613 subscribers, or maybe 513 subscribers. But right now, in 2 months, he has 59.2 thousand subscribers. Now, this is not Instagram or TikTok. I'm not talking about short videos, overnight virality. It's YouTube. It's serious. Then I thought, okay, maybe he's making a lot of short videos, and those short videos going viral fast and getting him a lot of subscribers. So I checked his shorts. He has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 short. What? Then I went back and looked at the number of videos he had 2 months back. It shows only 83. And now he has 168 videos, which means he made a lot of videos during these 2 months. It's almost proving my theory. So I went ahead and looked at his long video. What do you see here? 1 day ago, he posted a video. 2 days ago, another one. 3 days ago, another one. 4 days ago, another one. 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days. And he literally posted a long video, starting from 5 minutes to 33 minutes long videos every single day. Okay, at this point, I believe you hate me more because even website was better than showing face and making videos. I know how you think. If you are here for money, do you remember I showed this guy who charges up to $2,495 for a website building task? He sells his service on Fiverr. And so far, he got 94 reviews. So he should already made 10 times more sales, approximately 940 sales of this service. If you want to learn about 99% done for you system that I'm about to reveal, then stay and watch the full video. But if you're a schoolboy, a teenager, or not serious about life and you just want to use your phone and scroll and scroll and scroll and watch more videos, have some fun, go ahead, do it. This video is not for you. This video is for serious people who are going to use this 99% done for you system and actually make serious money. I'm talking about money like this. Ilham made $350 commission for just one sale day before yesterday. Ilham is 60 years old. She lives in UK and she has a 9-to-5 day job and she's an absolutely busy mom. She doesn't even have time to watch videos on her phone. Andy Nasser has a business, completely busy, and he doesn't have time to do anything else. And in fact, he's moving from Egypt to Dubai, so he's extremely busy. Yet, nothing stopped him from making $635 in passive affiliate commission. Jash Naran lives in UK, and he has an extremely busy schedule with his social media activities and his Amazon FBA business. Yet, he easily pulled off $1,250 in passive affiliate commission. I'm talking about that kind of money with a 99% done for your system. So if you stay and watch, you will get benefits. Okay, so how does it work? How much money does he make? From his channel alone, he makes approximately $80 to $1,300 per month, which is not a big money. I understand that. Most of my followers and viewers want to make $1 million overnight, maybe yesterday. They missed yesterday, they will try today, and they want to make the money tomorrow. But unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. However, don't worry, this is just the channel ads revenue. I'm talking about something totally different. I would call this bonus money or free bonus money. Right. The next question is, Mosh, I don't have time. I have a busy 9-to-5 day job, or I have a business. After spending 8 to 10 hours at work and commute, I don't have time to make these long videos. Don't worry, you don't even have to make long videos. Just keep watching and see the process. The process is this. You go to YouTube and search with, let's say your topic is website. Type website and hit space. And you will see YouTube is giving you suggestions like website design, website making, website builder. Let's go website builder and hit space again. Now you see some different suggestions, but they are related to website builder. Now website builder AI, website builder free, website builder tutorial. Now what you don't want to do and you never want to do, you do not want to cater the people who are looking for free stuff. So forget about website builder free. Now there are two suggestions here, website builder AI and website builder tutorial. Most people know that AI is not free. So when you make website builder AI, you get two things. Curious audience who want to learn about website builders or AI powered website builders. And when you make videos about website builder tutorials, then you have more chance to attract only buyer, because most of the website builders are not free. And when you make a website builder tutorial about a premium platform or software, you will attract their paying customers. Does that make sense? So let's go and try with website builder AI. Now you see all these people made videos and they got a lot of views. The next thing you want to do is try to find a similarity among topics, like top 3 AI website builder. The second one, top 5 free AI website builders. Now this video shows how to create a website in minutes with no coding, and this video shows how to create $10,000 sites, no coding required. Tell me which one will attract more buyers and which one will attract useless, broke freebie seekers. In my opinion, this title is quite a desperate title. Top 5 free AI website. It was posted 12 days ago and it has definitely attracted a lot of freebie seekers who are broke and not going to buy anything from you. Also, when you say that 5 free AI website builders to create $10,000 sites, it means those dreamers who expect to make millions without investing anything. But here, this video got 366,000 views, published 1 year ago, but it says how to create a website in minutes, no coding. It did not attract the broke people. So I would like to go with this video and do more research. Here is another video, the best and worst AI website builders. GoDaddy, AMIXO, 10Web, Elementor, etc. It did not mention about money and it did not specify free. So this video is probably attracting even more serious audience. Here is another one, 3 best AI website builders in 2024. 2024. Create and clone websites in seconds. Another one, the 5 best AI website builders in 2024. Okay, now that you got an idea what your target buyers are watching, let's choose one of the videos. One of the ways you can shortcut the process is by going to notebooklm.google.com. Currently it is free. I don't know how long it will be free. Click create new, copy the video URL, choose this YouTube right here, paste the URL and click insert and see if it works. Looks like it worked this time. If it didn't work, then there was another workaround. Now I would say give me all the information about the video for ADHD people, haha. Make a table of comparison of different features, pros and cons. Hit enter and see what happens. Now while AI is working, oh, it's done. Look at the table. We got the name of the website builders, key features, pros, cons, ranking. I want to know more about the price, so I will say you didn't mention pricing structures. Right, we didn't get the full information about pricing. Either we have to do it manually or we can use another application which is not important for this video. For this video, what's important is we got all the information about the video in a table. And now we can go through it quickly, learn, and create our own video script. Now, when you post videos frequently, let's say you start with 1 video a week, then you gradually increase to 2 videos a week. And when you really start making money, you will get motivated and excited and you will probably start making 1 video a day. Now, here is something very interesting. Look at this. This video posted 4 weeks ago got only 360 views. Another video posted 4 weeks ago, but this video got 63,000 views. And look at this video posted 3 weeks ago, got only 16,000 views. Other videos got around 3,400 views, 5,100 views, 2,900 views, 3,000, 13,000. What I mean to say is it doesn't matter how many views his videos are getting. He figured that every single view is important because every single view is a living and breathing customer. So he kept posting. And because he kept publishing videos, he got super hits like this one, and this one, and many more in his channel. You're probably feeling like betrayed after watching this video, that all what I have shared with you is an inspiration to make long videos every day showing your face on the camera. No, that's not the case. All these students of our program who made high ticket commissions like this, they are enjoying a 99% done for you system. So here is how it works. Our students do not make long videos. So again, no long videos on YouTube. What they do is simple. They are taught to use AI and learn fast. Then they are taught to use the mechanism AI and what they learned and make short 1 minute long videos. And they upload the same videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as short videos. Now these platforms are in a war of getting attention through short videos. So they send a lot of views to these videos, and these videos are structured in a way that they send those viewers to an AI powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, our students make $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the best of the best part, that the whole system is 99% done for you. Sounds good now? So through this video, I shared the value of creating content, helpful content that inspire people, provide information, provide news, updates, upgrade, and use the content to make money through a 99% done for you system without even trying to sell anything. Sounds better now? Okay. If you want to learn in details about our program, how our students, complete beginner members who also have a 9-to-5 day job, some of them are busy parents, university students, they got 9-to-5 day job, and some of them got local businesses, are making this kind of commission. Then there is a free training in the description below this video. Watch that free training and you will learn everything step by step about the business model. And if after watching this training you still have questions, go and chat with our AI chat agent. This AI chat agent is trained to speak like me, answer like me. It will give you all the information, all the answers to your questions. But if you are not satisfied, that's still okay. Click here and DM me your questions on Instagram. Have a chat with me on Facebook Messenger if you want, and I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. Did you like this video? Was it inspiring, helpful, and informative? If yes, hit the like button. Share with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure sure to switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will be able to notify you when we will upload our next video. And to learn more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.